been missing in action. Since the last video you guys saw, we were at the island camping in our boat in the Jeanneau, and we had like a kind of a scare. And since we already had once an experience in the island, we kind of were like, so guess what happened? We left the island. Nos fuimos.
Literally packed up, bam, left. 3 a.m. in the morning is when we actually left. We actually got back to our place like 3:30 in the morning and unpacked everything and literally like got everything down, kind of crazy. So we immediately, and we checked next to us and there was no boats. But that tree, that we felt like there was somebody behind that tree. And I told Mari, we may have somebody, another boat on the other side of the island, and they're messing with us. So I said, we're not taking any chance. Mari was like, let's get out of here. And we picked up our stuff and we left.
Yep.
So shortly after that, we decided to sell the Jeanneau. And part of the reason we sold it is because we really, really miss having a center console. Center consoles only is a thing. It's a real thing. We love to fish and dive and all that stuff, and we're like, it's not the same thing.
Yeah.
If you love camping in your boat and you want to spend the weekend like
Friday to Sunday, the Jeanneau's perfect.
The Jeanneau is a perfect
But if
boat.
you're into more like adventures, like fishing and diving and all that other stuff that we like to do, we were not going to be able to turn that boat into what we really wanted, which is something a little bit more like
So we sold the Jeanneau to someone that we know, a friend that we love. He's also a YouTuber. So if you want to keep watching the Jeanneau and doing adventures, head out to the Keys Boating channel.
His name is Jorge. He's a good guy, amazing family.
And they're in love with the boat.
Yeah, give their channel a little hit up there for a second. And if you like it, subscribe to his channel, because I gotta tell you, they're good people, and that way you can still see the Jeanneau.
So we sold the Jeanneau, and
we did a thing.
But then we did another thing.
We kind of did a thing.
We kind of did a thing.
So you're gonna have to watch the rest of this video to find out what it is exactly that we did.
Surprise!
Here we are, Palm Beach Boat Show. Thursday morning, bright-eyed, bushy tails, 10:30 a.m.
Very early.
Yeah.
Look at her, she's keeping.
We've got to figure out how do we get in.
Yeah.
Oye, bueno, mi gente, ya empezó la fiesta.
Míralo ahí. Wait, no. It's that one.
The gray one.
That one, the dark one.
Oh, the one in the corner.
Yeah, come on, right here.
That's it right there. Oye, Missy Fu, está acelerada.
I'm already talking to somebody about our boat. I'm running over there right now. That's why he called us. There's got a guy in the boat.
All right. Hola.
¿Qué tal? ¿Cómo estás?
No creo que baja.
Míralo aquí.
Oh yeah! What up?
Hey!
Woo! So this is our new boat.
Yeah!
Look at the platform.
Come on now!
Oh man.
Wait, want to take off your shoes?
No!
Where's mine? We're gonna take. Oh my god!
Oh, good to see you guys.
Look at
Good to
this.
see you guys, yeah.
Good to see you.
Oh, good to see you.
Oh my God, he's so lindo.
That's beautiful.
Nice outfit.
Thank you. You like my shirt?
Different.
The Rodfather. Get it? The
Yeah.
Rodfather?
Right. You guys have been fishing a
Oh, you
lot,
better
huh?
believe it. That's what.
Really?
Oh my god. Look.
This is pretty cool, huh?
It's the same, yeah.
Welcome home. You use
What's up?
¿Cómo estás, Pablo?
¿Cómo estás?
Oye, que tenemos, we have addiction to Intermarine.
Oh, really?
Shrimp
Nice.
filtered.
What's up, Pablo?
¿Cómo estás, mi corazón?
Bien, ¿y
Un
tú?
placer tenerlas acá.
Gracias. Este es el baby nuevo.
Shrimp, live shrimp and pilchards.
No me lo
Yeah,
creo.
no.
You guys are serious.
Vendimos el otro. Es que we wanted fish.
Pero esto,
Yeah, I know. We're in love. We had the 2 for 2 before. So now we're getting this one. But we're like in love. Oh my God. Check this out, guys.
That's an amber.
Look at this beauty.
Took me half an hour to bring it in.
Whoa.
So much fun.
Check out
Just
this
recently?
beauty.
A couple months ago, but look at the size of it.
Wow, it's bigger than the other 2 for
It's a
2.
lot bigger.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my
All
God.
the breakers are right there, of course.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
some storage here.
Nice head.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
a big space.
This is our new boat, guys. Our new boat. 200s. Check out the side. She's a beauty.
Going back to Welcome.
Oh yeah.
es simple y bueno ese barco.
No, no, a mí es que me...
We,
We used to have, ¿te acuerdas que teníamos antes este?
What's the difference?
pero este es más cómodo
No,
para mí,
esto es...
porque este es más amplio.
Yeah,
Y entonces tienes más espacio para moverte a la hora de moverte pescando.
sí.
Pero este bote es, a mí me encanta, te voy a decir. Ojalá yo pudiera comprarme uno algún día. Son buenísimos, buenísimos.
I remember. I did
Sí,
all
sí,
the things
Oma me
for you.
estaba hablando de eso.
I did all the things for you. You had los cojines adelante,
Yeah,
los
yeah.
cojines de atrás,
Brother,
el plástico negro de
Yo,
atrás.
yo manejo estos barcos. Eso corta el agua rico, man.
Yeah. No, tiene un 21 dead rise, eso es
Y
increíble.
cuando le haces así el motor,
Yeah, banging him up.
This is great, guys. This is Intermarine in action right here.
Here we are right now with the one and only Alfred Montaner, Mr. Chicho himself.
Wait for it!
Woo!
Hey, they just bought a brand new well craft. Look, show it! Show it! But we broke it. We broke news right here on this camera, guys. You're gonna see it on my channel. And we're gonna do a collaboration soon. See Junkies.
Stay
Wait for
tuned.
it. Wait for it. Oof.
So, we just bought a boat. We did a thing. We did a crazy thing.
We
We
did a
went back to the exact same boat we originally had, which is a Worldcraft guest. We're Worldcraft girls. And bought the beefier, heftier, faster twin Merc 200 version of our old boat.
We love that boat.
Well, looks like the day's finally here. We're on our way to Intermarine to get the new baby, and we're so excited. This feeling is unmatched to any other.
Calling me, like the rainbow, the rainbow.
It's about that time.
Calling me, like the rainbow.
So, here's where we are. Third time. Oh yeah. Hey, are you ready? Our favorite place, of course. We're so excited. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Let's see, Junkies are in the house.
Okay, very good.
Check out this place.
Back at Intermarine.
Good to see you too. Thank you, honey. Here's Tony. Hello.
All right.
Excited. Yes, so excited. From Tony, our little gift for buying another boat.
Of course.
And we're ready to party on the Wellcraft, as usual.
Yeah.
We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be a final day.
One more time, guys. One more time, and check this. Check out these bad boys. Intermarine is growing a lot. Look at these. And somebody is just.
Oh my god, I just can't right now. I can't even handle it. Like, the excitement is just like the butter. I have like Bigfoot in my stomach and he's like fighting to get out. Forget about butterflies.
There it is. Intermarine. Boat number 3.
I love it.
What are you thinking?
I'm in love with it. It's so different.
It's-
2 engines, my god.
It's longer, it's wider. But you guys know we are Wellcraft chicks. And this boat, everything we had in the other one, but it's just a bigger boat, more fitted for fishing.
Love it.
We're in love with this boat, guys. This is a dream boat for us. So stay tuned. Adventures a la vista.
We come alive in the nighttime. There's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive.
Of the Sea Junkies, by the way, which is the name of the boat, documented by the Coast Guard. So Sea Junkies and wait, all right, and woo! Yeah, baby.
Oh, look who's there!
Hi! Oh my God! Your timing is perfect.
Wellcraft crew.
Woo! Oh yeah. Spring summer. Yes. You guys, we're dying to go fishing. Like, I gotta tell you, I miss it so much.
Money's like I'm going fishing tomorrow.
Tomorrow, that's it.
Actually, all next weekend is money.
Oh man.
All next weekend is money.
Man, I gotta tell you, I'm dying. Like, I missed it so much. Oh, guys, say hi!
The sunset.
Our first day in the new Wellcraft with our people.
Tells me
The
that you want
sunset.
me
Look at that
and all
sunset,
my
guys.